morning, folks. Our first contestant today in the Big Box Top Bonus Contest is Woody Woodpecker. Come in, Woody. And here is the prize-winning question. Think now. Can you tell us who built the Ark?
No.
That's right. Noah built the Ark. You have just won a new car, a trip west, and $1,000. Congratulations.
$1,000? Boy, I could use that money just fine. This calls for a plan. Now he'll be driving west in his new car with $1,000 in cash. Here he comes.
Well, a hitchhiker. Hop in, mister.
Thanks, pal. Got a cigarette?
Nope, I don't smoke.
That's all right. Oh, sounds like you got trouble, pal. You better get out and take a look. So long, sucker!
Well, of all the dirty, low-down, double-crossing, miserable crooks.
A tomato. Hiya, babe. Step right in. Love your hair. That's a dirty, low-down, sneaky thing to do. Here he comes again. I'll pull a feint, and he'll have to stop. Oh, dear me.
Oh, I must have hit someone. I'll go back and help him. You look run down, mister. Come on, you want to ride?
He'll be coming along any minute now. Uh-oh. All right, smart Alec Woodpecker, hand over that satchel.
Well, I still got my money. Stop. Hole in road.
Car A breaks electric beam B, causing spring C to propel boxing glove D, knocking out Woodpecker. Here he comes. Boy, get your free box lunch.
Thank you. Man, I could eat a horse.
Shh.
Sucker. That's not a bit funny. Did you ever have a feeling you're being followed?
Stick 'em up, sucker. Now give me that satchel full of dough. I will count to 3 and then shoot. 1, 2, 3. Huh?